Would you pay over $1,000 a night for a Disney hotel in Hawaii? Let me show you what you get. Welcome back to Yessah Travels. Today we will be exploring Disney Aulani. We will be checking out the 1-bedroom suite. So follow along and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. First impression, I love how detailed the room is. It definitely has that Hawaiian koa wood feeling. Don't mind the trash. We still have to clean up a little bit. But here you have the fridge. It's a normal size fridge. Here's the living room. It's pretty spacious. You have a seating area and a little dining area as well. This room holds about 4 to 5 people. They also have a pull-out bed for an extra guest, if you will. The 1-bedroom holds about 2 people inside, so you can have someone on the couch and someone on the pull-out bed. Also, you have a nice view of the mountains out here in Ko'olina, Hawaii. With a little balcony view, you can sit down, have some drinks. The balcony does connect from the master bedroom to the living room area. As you can see, it's a nice day outside. Definitely a nice day to be in Hawaii and have a little family vacation. There you can see the chairs outside lined up. And I love the way this curtain looks. It definitely gives like Polynesian Hawaiian vibes, as well as the couch. The couch itself was a pull-out couch, so you can make a bed out of that as well. And look at the detail. Loving the painting on the wall. You have that Hawaiian feel to it as well. Here we have the entrance to the master bedroom. Let's go and check that out as well. I love the detail of these doors too. Here's the master bedroom. Look, it even came with a cute Mickey towel on the bed with a little flower. Here we have the TV. There's 2 TVs in the room. One is in the master bedroom and one is in the living room. But look at the little design on this. Isn't that cool? If you're a Disney lover and love Disney, I'm pretty sure you would love this hotel. And as you can see, we have the balcony that connects to the outdoor. Here's a little close-up for you guys. And they even gave a little flower with a little notepad, giving you that Hawaiian vibes. They also had a little note from Aulani. And look at this lamp. It's pretty cool. Mickey Mouse on a surfboard. Isn't that cool? Here you have your phone, your regular setup. And here you have 2 lamps on the side of the bedroom with this little Hawaiian painting. They're very detailed. I like how detailed Disney is. Here's the door that connects to the bathroom. It's only 1 bathroom. Here's the other painting as well. I think it's cool. Let's check out this master bathroom. There's 2 entrances. One is through the master bedroom, and the other one is as soon as you enter the room. You can see there's a connection door right here. And here you have the shower area. As you can see, it has a little rain waterfall shower feeling with a tub as well. So if you wanted to take a nice bath, you can. And look at all these little stones on the wall. It's very nice and detailed. Here's your little waterfall shower. Also, you have your soap and shampoo and your conditioner, your basic necessities. And this room was priced around $1,000 a night. It is pretty expensive, but there are cheaper ones. But this was the 1-bedroom. Here's the waterfall shower. After a nice long day at the beach, you want to rinse off, freshen up, or just jump in the bath. Perfect way to relax. Also, the shower and the restroom area is separated. So here you just have the bat and your closet. Nice looking design on this curtains. And here you have, yes, you know what time it is. Nice little sink. But yeah, as I was saying, the restroom, or basically the toilet area, and the shower itself is separated. Here's a nice closet where you can put all your toiletries and whatnot inside. They had your ironing board, blow dryer, things that you might need, especially when you're about to go out for a nice little dinner. They even had an emergency flashlight. That's cool. And here's the door to the toilet area. Let's go and check that out. So there's two connections with the toilet area. One is right by that front door right here, by the main entrance. And the other one is the connection through the master bedroom, as you can see. And it also has another sink as well. So if someone else wants to get ready here, you're able to. But it was a pretty big bathroom area. Nice little sink. I love the colors of the gold. It blends in with the vibe. Extra hand towels if you need and whatnot. And this is the entryway to the main living room or kitchen dining area. Here you have the connection to the master bedroom as well, to the shower. So it's a lot of ways to get in. Here's the main door, the main entrance. As you can see, we kind of cleaned up a little bit. And here you have a door as soon as you enter. Let's see what's behind door number 1. It's the washer and dryer. So it could be worth it depending on your budget. If you do need to wash clothes, you have it right there. And there's a store right across the street where you can get items that you need to wash clothes or items that you need to cook and clean. But here's the main dining area. Yeah, you have your microwave, and I think that's a dishwasher, if I'm not mistaken. You also have your oven, your stovetop, and your little cabinet area. They even had a rice cooker, so you know we had to make use of that. And here's all your dishes, your cups, your plates, and whatnot. So they basically have everything that you need, especially when you're on vacation. The last thing you want to worry about is having to go and buy things or look for things that you're not going to use again. So you have all your utensils as well. They had a little Keurig where you can make your coffee. And this is the view. You got Pele right here. And that area right here, if you didn't notice, that was the pull-out bed on the right side. But yes, here you have the outdoors. Let's go and take a look at this. I don't think we got to step outside, so we'll take a step outside and show you how the balcony looks. As soon as I unlock this door. There we go. Yes. But you can see how spacious and how roomy it feels. You don't feel claustrophobic. You definitely have a lot of room. You can enjoy with your friends, family, get ready for the day, ready to plan and head out to the beach. This is the area that connects to the master bedroom right here. So it's definitely a vibe if you want vacation. If you're willing to spend the money though, because Disney Aulani is pretty expensive, but it's worth it for at least one time to check out. Downstairs they had a little game area and dining area where you could sit and relax. And look at the detail on this hotel. It's very Moana feeling, very Hawaiian. They also had a train passing through. But I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Yessah Travels signing out. We'll catch you on the next video. Alright, see you guys. Click the next video here and let's get this adventure going.